Are you looking for the perfect indulgence? How about the chocolate banana cream martini? Well, this cocktail is a fusion of rich chocolate, velvety banana, and the ultimate in indulgence. So there's not a whole lot more to say. Welcome to the Drunken Sailor Cocktail Channel. I am Bill, your Drunken Sailor. So let's get pouring. Today's cocktail, the chocolate banana cream martini. We're gonna take a shaker, and our first ingredient in there is going to be chocolate liqueur. Now this is chocolate liqueur that we've made. You've seen it in a previous episode, so you'll see a link above. We are gonna use 1/2 ounce. Our next ingredient in there is the banana flavor. We're using banana cream liqueur, and this is Mr. Boston. We're gonna use 1 ounce. Next ingredient going in there, we're gonna follow it up with some Bailey's Irish Cream, and we're gonna use 1 ounce. Last ingredient in there is our Vanilla Vodka. We're using Smirnoff's. That's gonna use 2 ounces. Now we need to ice it up and cool it down. Now that we've got that shaken up, it's chilled, it's aerated, we need to go in for a pour. Now, we've got our nice iced, decorated glass. All we've got left to do is garnish, and we're going to take a slice of banana and put that on the side. And there we have our chocolate banana cream martini. Let's give it a try. Rich in chocolate, nice and smooth, creamy. We've got that banana flavor in there, touch of vanilla notes from the vodka. Indulge yourself, folks. Cheers.